See, I told you I'd be back, right? Hey, Raw family. This video here, we're going to go back again. We're going to go back to my childhood. So this video, I need the full 15 minutes to do. But I want to thank all of my new subscribers. I want to thank my Ride or Die subscribers. You guys, please share, subscribe, and comment below. Miss O has so many other things going on, but I'm not forgetting about you guys. So don't forget about Mrs. O. But today, we're going to reproduce one of my childhood favorites. Hold on, I should have got it, but I didn't. Hold on. Now, if you were like me, my mom worked, my dad worked, and guess what they would get out of the freezer and feed to us? TV dinners! You guys remember that? Look, there's the Salisbury Steak, which was very famous, and then there was the turkey. I am going to create them both, but you know, we're going to do it for 2021, all right? And I have a special guest. My grandbaby is going to help me. So with that being said, let's get to recreating these TV dinners. Let's go get her done. Okay, here are the ingredients for our 2 TV dinners. Of course, I've said it over and over again, I don't eat ground beef, but since we're doing the TV dinner with the Salisbury steak and my grandbaby is going to eat it, I got some ground sirloin. I got some oven gold turkey breast. I got that from the deli. I also have an apple here. Oh, which one is it? Let me see. It is the Envy apple. Of course, you know the little apples in the TV dinner. Of course, we're going to do the mashed potatoes, not instant. We're going to do the real mashed potatoes. I have butter here, and in the TV dinners, there is corn. There is sweet peas. I have black pepper. Of course, I have salt. And I actually got the turkey gravy for one of the TV dinners. And I've never used this, so I'm going to try it. Campbell's beef gravy for the, you know, the ground beef patty, whatever it's called. I don't forget. And I also have the stovetop turkey stuffing mix. So I'm going to try this because that is also in the turkey TV dinner. And of course, granulated onion, granulated garlic, forgot to get that out. And we're going to put heavy whipping cream in our mashed potatoes to make them nice, thick, and delicious. All right, let's get started on recreating our banquet TV dinners. All right, Raw family, here we go. Remember, we are duplicating the banquet turkey meal and the banquet Salisbury steak meal. So here, as I told you, it's like 1/4 of a pound of ground sirloin I got for my grandbaby. And by the way, she's on the side of me. Say hi, Ava.
Hi.
So ask them how they're doing.
How you doing, guys?
Okay. And in the Salisbury steak, they have the fresh apple bakes. So here I have an Envy apple. I put orange juice, a little lemon juice, sugar, and cinnamon. And of course, in both of the meals, we have the mashed potatoes, which I've cut up, and we're about to get that on the stove. Also, in the turkey meal, we have stuffing. So I bought some stovetop turkey stuffing. I put sage, poultry seasoning, a little butter, and a little chicken bouillon in this. So we're just going to heat up some broth and do it that way. And also, Miss Ava will show you. Okay.
So this is the green beans.
No, green peas. Move your hand.
Green peas.
So they can see it. Okay, that goes in one of the dinners, right?
Yes.
Okay, and what's the other one?
This is corn.
Whole kernel corn.
Mm-hmm.
That goes in one of the TV dinners. So we're going to take the corn. We're going to add butter, salt, pepper, a little sugar, and we're going to drain the juices off of both. We will also do that with the sweet peas. Drain the juice off, add butter, a little sugar, salt, and pepper. So let's get this started, and I'll come back during some of the process so we can duplicate our banquet TV dinners. We're going to take it up about 4 notches. All right, me and Ava will be back. Okay, Royal Family, here is the finished product and presentation of the banquet dinners reduplicated with an upgrade. Okay, here is the Salisbury steak, which I told you I did for my grandbaby. The apples and the creamy mashed potatoes. Oh my Lord. And back here is the turkey for me with the sweet peas, the creamy mashed potatoes, the turkey gravy. Come on, you guys, let's upgrade. We can do this. So simple, so easy, and it tastes delicious. Make your own TV dinners. And with that being said, thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. You guys stay safe, stay blessed, and Miss Ava is going to close us out.
I hope you guys have a great day and a great night.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys.
All right. God bless you from me and Ava.